Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the official TikTok iOS 14 home screen widget. It's really cool. All you have to do is ensure that your TikTok application is fully updated. So just head over to your app store and just go to TikTok and just make sure that it's fully updated. Once you've fully updated, just go ahead and open it up really quickly just to make sure everything's refreshed. Once you open it up, once it's updated, you can then exit out of there. And then all you have to do is long press on your home screen, click on Edit Home Screen, and the plus icon in the top left corner. And then you'll see TikTok here. It should be at the very top. If you don't see it, you can either search for it or just scroll all the way down and click on TikTok. And then you have three options here. You have this small one, the medium one, and the large one. It's really cool. So we'll just use, for example, this one right here. And then you will then see some popular trending TikTok videos right there, as well as some hashtags. But you guys can change it up and put a small one or a large one, depending on what you're looking for. So I'll show you guys the small one as well. So we'll click TikTok one more time. Click on the small one, and then I'll click and drag this over here, just like this. So yeah, looks really cool. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this widget on your home screens. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.